What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So CPI just came out. We're seeing some heavy movement in the market. We locked in profits on both our trades for Gala. 18% profit sold, 32% profit at the very perfect time before CPI. And now we're seeing a large pullback for the alts. We're sitting at 49.5K. Up 3.2 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 971 billion, 24-hour volume 40 billion. So CPI. The report shows consumer price rose 3.1% in January from a year earlier. That was more than the 2.9 increase. So that's why we're seeing this dump. We're seeing a massive pump in the DXY. All our Forex trades in the Discord just are absolutely smashing it in profits. They all dropped into profits, which is incredible. So we're going to make some money trading crypto, trading Forex. Guys, it's $10 a month to have access to my signals. You really can't beat it. We are absolutely crushing it. So BTC, not too much of a pullback. We're looking for a wave 4 on the micro count. Now, if the max retracement breaks at the 50% at 49.1K, then you can see a larger pullback. Then the impulse can be complete, the wave 3, and you're going to pull back in the 4, which could take you down to 45K, 45, 46K, even a little bit lower. Let's say we drop from here. I'll quickly show you the target for the wave 4. If we were to drop from here and break that 49.1K level, then you could drop, the max retracement would be the 50%. Yeah, so you could drop all the way to 46.1K, which would lead to a massive pullback for the alts. But if we don't break that max retracement for this micro 4, then we can still push up in a higher high. It's very possible. So just watch 49.1K. All right, gang, looking at that next chart. We are looking to push up in the wave 5. We've broken the wave 3 high, so it can end at any time, but the target is 53.7K to complete that wave 3 and pull back into wave 4. DXY just absolutely broke out on the CPI news. Massive. This is exactly what we were looking for, was a massive breakout on the DXY, and that's exactly what we're getting. So we're absolutely crushing it. All of our Forex trades are just melting into profits, which we love to see, and we locked in gains on our crypto trades just at the perfect time. So that's what I'm looking at. If 49.1K breaks, we could see a deeper pullback. Until then, we could potentially see one more bounce in a higher high. Guys, my trade signals are $10 per month. You spend $10 every single day, and that will give you access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We just locked in those juicy gains on Gala and Sol. We're in multiple Forex trades, which are all in profit. So we're killing it on crypto, on Forex for $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses and make sure to sign up to my VIP rooms through the Patreon. $10 a month, guys. You really can't beat it. And we'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care.